Hi, this tutorial is to help you figure out how to navigate some of the apps that the district has on their website. So let's start right here at the home page for the district, and mine has the Webconnect button right here at the bottom, but sometimes you have to look around for Webconnect. Click on that. It'll bring you to this page, and under Students, Clever is the first button, so just click on that. You will probably be prompted to add your child's Google account number, and I'll leave that information in the email that goes along with this. So here it comes up to this, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find Freckle. Freckle is where your kids can play around with some math skills, and there's some language arts things as well. So you come in here, and the first time you do the first time you do this, it'll prompt you to enter the code for our class code for Freckle, and you'll do that. But once you do that, it will be able to, you will be logged in. You can see here I made a little account for Sunshine so I could get in and play around with it, but there will be a page where you will click on your child's name, and or your child will learn how to do this. Of course, they're pretty fast at this. So then you go in here and you click on the math, and you've got a few different things to choose from, and the better you get, the more levels you unlock. It's really quite simple to use and a little bit addicting. It's pretty fun. If you keep scrolling down, you'll find under More Apps something called the ARC Bookshelf, and this is where you will find all the leveled readers. So click on the ARC Bookshelf. Your children are mostly in the Y, 1G, and 2G level, but they are welcome to look at any of the other books, and as they get better and reading these books becomes easier, feel free to move them to a new level. I'm over here on this left menu. You get a few choices for each of the levels, but if you scroll down on this, you will come to sort of a rainbow menu, and if you click on that, you will have a whole bunch more choices. So you just click on one of the books. It'll open the book with these arrows. Here are the skills to be working on, parents, so you might want to read over those. Remember to listen for the pattern, look at the pictures, point to each word. So just ask your child if they want to try to read the first page, and if they do, awesome. If they want you to help them figure out the pattern, then you read 1 or 2 pages and ask them to read it back to you. I'm going to use my finger and point to the words as I read. Dogs can work like this. Dolphins can work like this. You try it. Then you turn the page and hopefully they're off and they become an expert on that book. So this is a super useful tool. I love this app. So during Read to Self, this is a fabulous place to get some books that they can read at their level. Thanks for listening. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.